Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa bundok papunta ng Adonis Bat. Ayan ang mga kabundukan. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo ang view ng papuntang Adonis Bat. Napakahirap ng daan.
This is it. Oh my God.
Ito yung mga kasamahan namin.
This is the only
Ang
difficult
sobrang
part.
ano ng daan.
So
oh.
slowly.
Oh, there's another car.
There's another car, yeah.
Is something Filipina inside too. Why Filipina like to come here?
Oh. Because all they want to see how Adonis look like. Hi! Hello!
I know, no, it's not.
We're
the
going
other-
to Adonis
it's
Bat,
like,
guys.
It's like
Yan ang mga kasamahan
It's a
namin
Bulgarian.
papunta ng Adonis Bat.
Bulgarian.
Ito yung aming driver.
Napakahirap ng daan.
So expert.
Ah, kaya pala ang
in
tubig
driving.
dito. Ganito galing sa
So that's the way.
Baka napuntahan na namin ito nila Lani.
Iba itong dinaanan.
Eh lang, hindi ko lang maalala.
Ito, apat kami. Ayan, mga kasamahan namin dito.
I'm vlogging your vlog.
Ito ang bundok ng Cyprus.
Can you imagine we are
Mga
there?
guys, bundok ng Cyprus
From
ito.
the beginning, we turn around.
Ayan, bundok ng Cyprus.
I hear the waterfalls now. Oh my God, we need to climb again another stage.
Oh, what?
Oh, parking.
Pero ang saya lang kasi tayo magkakasama, hindi man nagmamadali ah.
Bundok, bundok, bundok ng Cyprus.
Power of the car, you know.
Mga guys, ito bundok ng Cyprus.
Parking.
Naglakaw-lakaw ulit si
Why they
Inday.
park here? They just walk?
Can't you see the road? They
Naglakaw-lakaw
don't
pa
want to bring the
adto
truck
sa bundok, kabundukan ng Cyprus.
Oh my God.
Where you going?
Ah, there is Adonis now.
Oh,
You can see him.
He's there!
Yes, a
my
statue.
God.
Sa baba ng Adonis Falls.
Oh, slowly.
We're here now!
Slow.